Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Febeh. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you've been here, thank you so much for sticking around. Today I am doing a Cardi B inspired look. Her recent video up, she had this beautiful pastel green look and I have been looking at it since the video dropped. And I really want to recreate it. I'm dark skinned, obviously. So I want to see how it looks on dark skin. So if you are interested in seeing how I pull off this look, keep watching. But before we start, if you have not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button, turn on your bell notifications, because around here you want to stay on top of every drop, baby, okay? Anyway, let's get started on this look. So to get started, I'm going to prime my eyes with my Pro Girl concealer in the color Fairest. So because I'm using a pastel color, I really do have to prime my lid so that the color shows up on my skin. You know, that's the challenge with using certain color when you are chocolate like myself. I'm gonna go in with my Beauty Bakerie setting powder and I'm just gonna apply a little over this concealer because I don't want it to crease and I also want it to hold so the color will show. It's not much. All right, so this is the look. I know it's a little hard to see it, but this is the look that I'm going to be recreating. So I'm going to keep this picture in front of me while I try to recreate it. I know it went a little dark, sorry you guys. So I'm going to start off with a brown liner. And the liner that I'm using is by Maybelline. It is the Longwear pencil liner in the color brown. So this is practically a cut crease. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go above my crease just a little bit. So right here. I like to look down because then it allows me to see where my above my crease is. So you can see the brown lines that I've used to just highlight what will be my cut crease. And now I am drawing the actual shape that this look is going to take. All right, so this is on. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. I'm trying to get you guys as close as possible. But for some reason, is this any better? I hope. So I do have my line. All right, so I've moved you guys like super close. But I really want you guys to see how I am doing this look. So I'm connecting where I drew my cut crease. Again, I went above my natural crease. And I'm going to draw the wing, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start down here first and pull it up because that's what I see when I look at the picture that of Cardi B's look, and then I'm gonna connect it. So that's literally it. And it's already looking fire. I don't know why I'm excited, but it's already looking fire and it's literally just like 2 lines, but whatever. I'm gonna do the other eye so you guys can see. So we have our crease drawn. What I'm going to do is now I'm going to take a blending brush. I'm going to use my Sonia Kashuk blending crease brush. And I'm going to use a brown eyeshadow to just blend it and smoke it out. So let me grab my eyeshadow and come right back. All right, you guys, I'm going in with that Morphe 35 palette. And I'm using a dark brown just to blend out everything to really smoke it out. And although it looks like I've lost the shape of the eye, I'm going to go in with more concealer to cut the crease. So do not be concerned. Trust me, it's still going to pop. We just want to make sure that we don't have any harsh lines. Even though we're doing a cut crease, you want to make sure everything that is part of the cut crease is blended out seamlessly. So you can see the difference between this eye and this eye. This eye I have not blended it, just the outline is there, but this eye I've blended everything out. All right, I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fairest, and this is what I'm going to be using to cut my crease. I'm just applying it to the back of my hand. I'm going to be using a very flat brush to help me get a precise cut crease. It's a small flat brush. And the reason I'm saying it's small and flat is because if you can see, there's not that much. So you see it's done, and I'm going to go in and fill it in with this color. Sorry I got really quiet. You gotta focus. You gotta focus. You're looking good, shorty. You're looking good. I'm proud of you. And you are going to repeat this on the other eye. I'm not going to take you all through that exhausting process, but make sure you repeat on the other eye. All right, next up, I'm going to go in with one of my favorite e.l.f. palettes. It is my $3 e.l.f. palette in the color Meant to Be. If you have not watched my e.l.f. tutorial, go check it out. But I'm going to be using this pastel green right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pack that on my lid. I think I'm going to use my finger. Yeah. So once I get to the corner of my eyes, my fingers are too big. I'm gonna go in with my brush now. All right, you guys, so I have the color on both lids. I'm gonna go back into my 35O palette. I'm picking up a little bit of that brown, and I am just going in to give some definition. I'm gonna use the other side to take that brownish color that we used to blend out everything, and I'm going to bring it up here. And the reason I'm bringing it down here is because in the picture that I have, the crease is not really sharp in the inside of her corner of her eye. So I don't want to make it too sharp. And that's why I went out with this. That's the look. This is it. You guys, part of this look, Cardi has a black wing liner. So I'm going to go in with my Huda Beauty Life liner, and I'm going to be using the liquid side. So you can see the wing liner connects to the pastel green. I'm gonna clean it up with some concealer to really make it thin, because in the video hers is thin and I want it to look like hers. All right, so for her lower lash line, they did not put any shadow. They just intensified it with some liner. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my brown liner and I'm going to do the exact same thing, I think. To line my lip with my Kola Liner from Juvia's Place. Her lips were glossy, which I'm happy about because I love a glossy lip. I'm gonna go in with two lip colors. I'm going to use my e.l.f. Mint Melt Lip Plumping Gloss in Chocolate Chip, and I'm going to put my Fenty cream in the color Honey Waffles over it. I'm not doing any lipstick. I don't think I have to. This is similar to the e.l.f. look that I did when I was doing a review for the e.l.f. Mint collection. It's so funny. Okay, this combination is amazing. Absolutely beautiful. For lashes, I'm going to, she didn't have anything super crazy, so I'm also going to try and not wear anything super crazy. So I'll be back. So this is the final look. It came out great. Okay, it came out great. Sorry, I keep getting stuff in my eye. But wait. Who is she? Baddie, okay? Baddie. This came out so beautiful. I was afraid it would look weird. But it looks amazing. Like, I look amazing. What? Oh my God. When I say I am really happy and proud of myself, I am happy and proud of myself. Like, I have come a long way with my makeup in such a short period of time. But what do you guys think of this look? Once again, e.l.f. did not fail me because this was the primary thing that I used today. That was plus my Maybelline brown liner. But what? I gotta zoom in. Let me zoom in real quick. You were saying? What was said? Once upon a time I heard I was what? No. Not me. No. You got me mistaken. Ew. Woo! Girl, this chocolate skin. Why would you ever be this beautiful? Why would you ever be this beautiful? For what? For what reason? What was the reason? No, but seriously, you guys, this was an amazing tutorial. I'm glad this look was stuck in my head. I'm glad I decided to give it a try. I am stepping outside of my comfort zone and I'm so proud of myself. With makeup, it's constantly about growing and evolving and learning new things. And with me, it's seeing something that I like and trying to do it on myself and sharing it with you all. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I don't know if Cardi B has a YouTube, but yeah, tag her. It's like, no. But give it a thumbs up. Tell your friends to tell their friends to tell their mama's friends to come check me out, to subscribe, to like, to chat, all that good stuff. Anyway, you guys, I cannot stop looking at myself like... I'm gonna stop holding you guys, but thank you so much for joining me. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I know it was all over the place, but if you guys have a look that you guys want me to recreate, please tell me. I really want to start recreating more looks. Like, this was really fun. But please tell me and I will do it with no argument. If it's hard, I'm still gonna do it. Okay? All right. Anyway, you guys take care. Stay safe. I will see you in my next tutorial or in my next video. Lots of love. Phoebes.